We're at Sully Historic Site in Chantilly for Earth Day Fairfax 2025. We celebrate Earth Day to create an environment for the community and family and friends to come out and enjoy themselves, all while learning how to protect the earth, learning about composting, sustainability, ways that you can take care of the environment and the earth at home and at work. We have over 70 community vendors, and we also have the Fairfax County Park Authority resources out here. And the county is also bringing out some organizations that are really focused on preserving the earth, teaching sustainability, providing resources to county residents and regional residents on ways that they can create sustainability in their household. And so out here today, you'll hear some great music and just lots of fun activities and ways to get your body moving.
So our job is to help encourage people to donate their plastics to the white bins, and we come by every once a week to collect it and help save the environment.
It's important because as we, advance with technology and we just use up resources, we still have to maintain the health of the earth. And I think even though we have the advantages of technology, we still have to get back to the basics. And that's why we celebrate Earth Day, is to get everyone out in a fun environment, but yet teach people how to preserve the one place that we have to live.